Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this AKSOUL portable camping fan, rechargeable camping fan. It's a large 7800 milliamps battery, very flexible, very robust, comes even with a light. You can see some of the functions here, also some of the specs here on the side. So you can see charging times around 6 to 8 hours and the run time is then between 6 and 25 hours depending on how strong you set it up. Here also some of the specs. So a really special, very unique device, I would say. So let's open the box and see how this looks. Comes even with this instructions manual, but it's not so difficult to use, and I'm going to show you everything anyway. Comes also with this USB-C charging cable, USB-C. This is what we want to see. Here we have the device, definitely a very robust fan. We remove this sticker here. And so here we have it, as you can see, very flexible regarding the fan direction. That's pretty unique. So it can be moved around by 270 degrees. That's a lot. That's much more than what you have with a normal fan. It's also much more robust. It's much more versatile. We even have this hook here underneath. You can hang it up like in a tent or so. This is also something which you don't have with a lot of fans. And for example, you can see the difference. This is an indoor fan. This is something which you have on your desk, but this is something which you can take out, like say in your backyard or also for camping or so. This is not what you want to have outside. This is quite sensitive. It has a small battery. It has quite some limitations regarding the adjustment of the fan. So this has huge advantages for outside. I think it's not waterproof. Just be careful when you're using it outside that you don't leave it outside in the rain, but other than that it looks really very good. Now let's check on the fan itself. Here we can adjust it from very low fan speed and also pretty quiet. You could even sleep with that fan easily, and we can increase the fan speed stepless, completely stepless, to very strong. This is the setting which lasts for about 6 hours, and when we turn it down to low, this is the setting where it lasts a full day, around 24-25 hours. This is absolutely amazing. It's still pretty strong. And so I turn it off here again, and we can also use the light. As you can see, we have this light here and also the charge indicator here as well. So when we press once, it will turn on the light here on the lowest setting. We push again, goes into medium setting, push again, goes into the strongest setting, and at the same time we can also see the charge 25, 50, 75, 100%. So we can see that it arrived almost fully charged. And what's really super convenient is that we can point the light here, of course, to the ceiling. That's super convenient, or also of course to the side, also on the other side, exactly as you want it. And of course we can also combine the light with the fan. We can run both of them at the same time. So say this is as good as it gets for outside. So this is what we want. Definitely don't buy something like that for outside. This is the thing to go. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.